Why does the hacking law practice charge for consults? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri throughout the United States. So we've been asked lately, and it comes up from time to time, Jim, why do you charge for a consult? Why can't I just come in, tell you about my situation, and see if you can help me? Well, it's important to understand that our time, like everybody else's, is valuable. When we are away from working on clients' cases and sitting in a consult, that we are losing money. If we're not charging for our time, we're going to lose money. So it's not just money, though. There's a lot of other really good reasons why we charge for our consults. One is that we give away a lot of free content on the web, and we pride ourselves on educating people, viewers and listeners to our podcasts, viewers to these episodes, and also we have about 900 pages of content on our website, and we really pride ourselves on trying to teach people how the immigration system in America works. Now, that means, though, that when someone wants to ask us about a particular case, about their situation, in those situations, if we're going to be giving advice, we have to charge something for it. So we aren't charging our full rate. You know, my legal hourly rate is around $350 an hour. My wife's is around $300, and Andrew's is about $250. So with the attorneys in the office, our time is valuable, and so we want to make sure that we'll give you a discount. We make it a little bit easier. We don't want to charge too much for the consult. We only charge right now $100 for either a Skype consult or a face-to-face consult. And we really want to make sure that you understand and that we understand that this time is valuable. We think by charging too that we also make sure that our clients are better prepared. They're not going to come in and just tell us all their all their worries and their ailments and all the things that trouble them. They're going to focus very quickly on the immigration issues that they want to talk about because the time is very limited. We run our schedule very tightly. We pack in a lot of consults on consult days. We have days where we do consults and days where we just do work. And so we've really structured it in a way that really makes it so that the clients take it seriously. Now, we also want to make sure that you understand that our firm is not the cheapest firm in town. So one of the reasons that we charge, frankly, in all honesty, is that if people aren't willing or able to pay our $100 consult fee, then it's unlikely that they're going to be able to afford our overall legal fee. So we tend to be on the higher side of legal fees, in all honesty, and that might not be for everybody. So we know that a lot of people have gotten great value out of our videos and about the other content on the web, but another reason that we charge is that we want to make sure that it's a good fit. Our firm is not for everybody. Not everybody can afford our firm, and we understand that. We do plenty of pro bono cases, but we only want to do pro bono cases if we've decided to take a pro bono case. A pro bono case is one where the attorneys are not charging for their legal time. So for all of these reasons, to help us take it more seriously, to help you take it more seriously, to give you particularized analysis on your situation, and to allow everybody to focus on your situation, these are the reasons that we charge. It's not because we're trying to make a bunch of money on the consults. It's not because we're greedy. It's because, quite honestly, we live in the time business. We sell our expertise. And so I heard a great analogy one time that I'll close this video with that I really liked. And so one time a lady was having a clogged pipe, and there was something seriously wrong with her plumbing. All of her water was backed up. And she called a plumber. And the plumber came in. She told him about the situation. He looked at the pipe. He pulled out his big wrench, and he whacked the pipe just once. And when he whacked the pipe just once, the backflow emptied out, the clog was broken up, and the pipe was back to normal. He then handed the lady a bill for $125. And she said, $125? You were only here for 5 minutes. And he said, well, so you don't like the way that I did the bill? And she said, no, you were only here for 5 minutes. You want to charge me $125? And he said, okay, let me see that bill. And he took it back from her, and he wrote down on the bill, it said, 20 years of training as a plumber, $100. Knowing where to whack the pipe, $25. And really that's a good analogy for what it is that we do here. You know, we've studied the immigration law, we've studied the regulations, we've studied the case law, and we want to give you the best advice possible. We have to stay up on the law, we have to stay up on recent developments. We are getting information from all over to make sure that we are giving you the most accurate, correct, and timely advice possible. So we just asked you to chip in a little bit for that. That's all it is. We hope this video makes sense. We hope you understand what we're trying to say. If you have any questions about working with us, about wanting to move ahead with a consult, or if you have other questions, feel free to give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. If you like this video, please be sure to click like, share it with your friends, and then make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels so that you always get updated when we make a new video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.